Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. So guys, last nabo my friend. Okay, firstly ngizocela ukuqala ngikusho ukuthi ngizokhuluma isiZulu kule video. Ngiyaxolisa kulaba abanga understand isiZulu igeng yako North West Free State, maybe Limpopo, laba abanga understand kahle, but I will try guys ukuthi ngikhulume esingekho deep kangako ukuze nikwazi ukuthi nizwe nani. I-reason ukuthi ngize ngikhulume isiZulu ngoba ngifuna sikhulume into engingafuni ukuthi offende abanye abantu, ngoba makukhulunywa ngalabantu enibabona la escreenini kuthinteka even abakhulu abasiphethe. So manje balahlekelwe umfowabo ukuthi uhambe nezikhukhula eLimpopo njengoba sizwa kuthiwa kuliyanetha, abantu bayalahleka, bayamuka, bayashona eLimpopo. May their souls, those who passed away, rest in peace. Nalabo abalahlekelwe izihlobo zabo, may they find their relatives, friends alive. Siyabathandazisa. Kodwa manje laba into engimangazayo ukuthi kubo seku deep ukuthi kubhlungu balahlekelwe umfowabo, and ngizwe kuthiwa khona abanye abawu2. I'm not sure about that. Kodwa ngizwe kuthiwa khona abanye abawu2. In total bathathu, la kukhulunywa ngo1. So mina umbuzo wami ukuthi mangabe thina sisuke besibulalela izingane, kuye kufile kanjani? Bayibecanga ukuthi sifila kanjani thina mangabe kufe izingane, because asize singababona even befika kuleyo mizi bezoyiveza ukuthi no guys, we don't think yithi, noma ngabe kwenzekile lelo phutha mhlambe besibeke umuthi wamagundana. No, bayadefendwa abaphathi bezwe, because phela bona yibo vele manje abaphethe iSouth Africa, abanikazi beSouth Africa. Asisho ukuthi sithi mabafe okube njani, kodwa umbuzo uthi makubhlungu kuba kwenzeka izinto ezinje, kungani behleze bethi kuthina siyajeza ngokona kwethu, ngokuzonda bona bajezela ini mangabe kwenzeka izinto ezifana nalezi?
That feel is terrible and so sad. All us as we can see that we close all our business, then try to see him whether he's alive or dead. We don't know.
And we see that there are few people who are still passing this river, and we can see that it's still flowing heavily. What advice can you give them, more especially after the incident that happened?
I give them an advice that don't be hurry in life and don't take the risk. So the more you take the risk, the more you lose your life. So all the residents people also, as we heard of him before yesterday when he was here, they told him that to not go inside, but I take the risk, and then you can see the consequences that we are facing now for taking the risk of crossing.
Okay, where was he actually coming from when he was passing here?
I was coming from Tando to stock here, and he was carrying some stock.
Okay, Mkolisi, judging from his expression, you can see that they are sad as the community, the family members, because they don't know as to what's really going to happen, more especially for the fact that they are finding some belongings to their brother, but they can't find their brother, and so they're actually saddened by that. And earlier on when we spoke to them, they mentioned that they hope that maybe today they can find results of what's going to happen now, more especially that they have roped in more rescue teams that are going to be helping at this very same river. We do understand, Kolisi, that the EMS people didn't give a heads up or rather approve the fact that people can pass here because it's still dangerous. The water is still flowing very heavily, but people are taking risk. Like Tahir just said, that it's said that people are taking a risk, more especially that yesterday they did warn their brother not to pass here, but he actually took that risk, and now they are bearing the consequences.
So guys, as njoba bengisho ke ukuthi labantu mina angifuni uqamba manga, angibazweli. Ngiyaxolisa, I know ukuthi njengamanje izinto esidlula kuzona kulelizwe sesizenze saba nenhliziyo yetshe towards laba bantu. So nje ngiyaxolisa kakhulu, ngiyazi ukuthi siyona ngokwenza kanjalo, kuyiphutha ukuthi ubuyisele izinto ezimbi ngezimbi, but izinto esidlule kuzona ngenxa yokuthi kuze gcwale laba bantu. Buka khona manje inqwaba yabantu, amadoda odwa evele ezogcwala ecountryn iLimpopo province le, bangaki khona nje eLimpopo kukodwa. bayengaki labantu. And manje bacomplaina ngokuthi hayi kumele savala kuphoqa ukuthi sivala amabhizinisi ethu sizelana manje ini. Lawo mabhizinisi esikhala ngawo thina as ama-South Africans, okay, angibablame lapho cause yithi esibanika iy'ndawo lapho eLimpopo vele bahlala nathi emzini yethu yonke into and basupportwa yithina. So lapho kwesinye isikhathi-ke vele sinathi si-wrong ngayo yonke lento eyenzakalayo, cause even after bebulela iy'ngane bayazi dlwengule iy'tolo zazo, zingaki nje manje iy'ngane esezizwile ukuthi bayidlwengulile, zingaki baya-unalive laba bantu. Kodwa namhlanje cause one yabo ilahlekile, kumele i-country ibe ku-stand still. Leyo nto idalwa yini? Why are we always seeing ukuthi njalo makuthinteke laba bantu usuzobona kuphakama ugovernment, usuzobona kuphakama human rights? Kwenziwa yini leyo nto? So nje mina abantu bakithi angifuni ukukhuluma amanga, angizwani nokuthi ngilokhu ngiyale ngale ngizenza sengathi manje angiboni ukuthi kwenzakalani. Laba bantu bayinkinga ezweni lethu. Uma kwenzeka lezi zinto kuthina bahlezi be-happy ukuthi South Africans badlula ey'ntweni ezinzima, beze besho bethi yiqalekiso zokungathandi bona. Basuke emazweni abo bazosi-invade ezweni lethu. Emva kwalokho thina yithi futhi manje esiyinkinga, bona bama-victims. So nje ukuyibuza ngempela ukuthi yini impilo vele kuzogcina kunjani la kulelizwe mangabe kuwukuthi sithule sibuka izinto ey'fana nalezi. And nje ukubabona bengaka, I don't know how many thousands njengoba belapha eLimpopo. By next year again kuzofika amanye ama-thousands. Until when? Izwe lihambile bafethu, and kuzwisa ubuhlungu ukubona amadoda akwamanye amazwe ezoshaya umthetho eze elwe nathi abantu besifazane ezweni lethu. Iy'nsizwa zala asi-encourage impi yezandla ukuthi kuliwe ngezandla, no, but akusukunyweni, asikhulunyelwe, asimelwe. Bona into eyenzeke kuJacinta 2 days ago kulesiya sikole ebhekene nalamadoda nabafazi bawo yedwa. Okay, ibikhona i-handful of i-March and March members laphayana, but ayikho into ebebengayenza mangathiwa laphayana lamazayizayi aqala into yawo, ayikho into ebebengayenza. And labantu kuyaziwa ukuthi bahlome kakhulu, sihleze sikuzwa lokho, kuhleze kubanjwa iy'bhabo, kuhleze kubanjwa amabhomu. Kuyaziwa ukuthi ngisho ema-tuckshop abo bahlomile. Thina ziphi iy'nsizwa njengoba kubulawana kanje kaZulu Natal, ziphi iy'nkabi, ziphi iy'nsizwa ney'bhamu zazo eseyiqeda abantu? Ziphi ozamazama baqeda abantu eSouth Africa, iy'nkabi nalaba abanye abaphethe iy'bhamu, kunokuthi behambe beyodilana leso simo babulala thina. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.